Hi, I'm Kristen from Mailchimp. In this video, I'll show you how to archive and unarchive your contacts. When you delete inactive, outdated, or duplicate contacts, you lose their data, and you won't be able to re-import them into your audience. Instead, we recommend that you remove contacts without losing their data by archiving them. You can always unarchive them later if you change your mind, and all of their historical data will be intact. To archive contacts, head to Audience, and use the Audience drop-down to choose the audience you want to work with. Keep in mind that data isn't shared between audiences, so you have to archive a contact in each audience you want them removed from. Your list could be too broad at this point, so to narrow your focus, filter your contacts by tags or segments. For example, you could create a segment filtered for contacts who don't engage with your marketing, then archive those unengaged contacts to lower your billable contact count. When you're ready to move forward, check the box for each contact you'd like to archive, or to select all of the contacts visible in your table, click the checkbox in the table header. This will bring up a menu where you can now select the archive option. When you click Archive, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Here's some things to consider before you move forward. Archived contacts won't count towards your billing, and you can archive as many as you'd like, but you won't be able to market to someone after they've been archived. For regulations like GDPR or CCPA, archiving is not a legal substitute for deletion. If a contact asks to be removed, you have to permanently delete them from all audiences that store their data. If you're all set, enter Archive into the text box, and to finish up, click the Archive button. Nice work! A success message will display how many contacts you've archived. Now we'll cover how to view your archived contacts, and we'll show you how to unarchive them. To start, use the More Options drop-down to select Archived Contacts. From this screen, you can export all archived contacts, or click on a contact to view their profile. A couple of things to note here. While a contact is archived, you won't be able to edit their profile, but you'll still have their data, including identifiable information in email or SMS reports. If you want to market to these contacts again, you have to unarchive them first. Just a friendly reminder. You have to unarchive a contact in each audience you want to market to, and unarchiving a contact will make them billable again. Okay, let's check the box next to the contacts you want to unarchive. Or, to select all of the contacts in your table, click the checkbox in the table header. After that, click Unarchive. Then enter Unarchive into the text box, and click the Unarchive button to finish up. All right, great job. Now you know enough to optimize your audience and organize your contacts. If you have more questions about your audience, visit Mailchimp.com/help.